I'm going to install the Vantrue Dashcam Hardwire kit. So this is the instruction manual. These are the wires to plug in, so we have to find the right size for that. I have installed the hardware kit. So you can see this is Honda Civic 2019, and I have placed this in one section, and it was direct connection. So when I installed it, it is a direct connection. Even if the engine is off, there is a light for the dash cam. Now if we look at the map for this, so I installed it on the number 10, and that is direct connection. R is off, but you can see the blue indicator is blinking, so that means it's working. So I have put it on the right place.